Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Jousting Adventure by Luda3. So we have normal Sudoku rules, so in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have anti-knight rules, so think knight as a knight in chess, right? So think about, where could this 2, let's make this 2 green. Where could this, if this 2 was a knight in chess, where could it capture? Well, it moves 2 in one direction and 1 in the other direction. So it can capture any of these 8 cells, essentially. Make sure I get this right. All right, so these purple cells are what the 2 could capture as a chess knight. It can move 2 and 1, or 2 and 1, or 2 and 1, etc. Right? It's just these 8 cells. So what this anti-knight rule is saying is that you cannot put a 2 in the same cell that another 2 could capture, right? So as soon as there's a 2 here, none of these purple cells can be a 2, or you violated the anti-knight rule. So that's it. Those are the rules. It's not just for 2s, it's any digit. So you can't put the same digit in a cell that could capture the same digit. Or 2 cells that are knights move apart cannot contain the same digit is kind of the way the rule's worded. So anyway, hopefully that's clear to you. We have done it before, but I like to explain the rules every time. There is a link in the description if you want to try the puzzle yourself. I highly recommend you do, and I'm going to get started right now. So the immediate thing I saw is that there's 2 given 4s in the grid, and they look up, and then this 4 sees this cell by anti-knight. So there's only one place for 4 in this box, which is here. This 4 looks over, and this 4 sees here, so there's a 4 here. This box is going to need a 4. It's pretty clear where that goes. And then there's just one more 4 left to place. So we just get all the 4s right away. This 1 sees over, and it also sees here, so we can place a 1. And we might as well fill this pair. So this is going to be a 5-6 pair. But this 6 does see here. So that's a 5, that's a 6. This one sees here, and this one sees here. So one's actually in one of these 2, which is interesting. I'm going to mark that just in case we do place something that helps there. This one sees down, and it also sees this one. So we have a 1 in one of these 2. This 2 sees here, so 2's in one of these 2. Okay, so this 2 sees over, and this 2 sees here. So we can place this 2. Now this row's done. That's a 6. This 3 sees here, so that's the 3, and then that's a 5. All right, just helps to look at the correct box. This 2 looks up, and it sees here. So this is the 2. And then this 2 sees up, this 2 sees over, this 2 sees here, so that's a 2. These 2s look down, this 2 sees here, so that's a 2. This 2 looks down, this 2 looks over, and it sees here, so this is a 2. All our 2s are done now. This 1 sees down. So I guess one of these is a 1. Probably 1s aren't what we're supposed to look at. This 1 sees here and here technically. So one of these is a 1. So that's basically where our 1s end up. I don't see any problems with either way to do it. So it's going to get resolved externally by a different digit. This is a pair. That might help. We need a 3 and a 5. And this 3 sees here. So that's 5, that's 3. 3 in the corner. There we go. I need a 1 and a 6, and this 6 sees down. So that's 1, that's 6. And that's going to resolve all of our 1s. And that's why the corner marks are helpful. All right. I do need a 3 in this row. It goes here, and the row's finished with a 6. This finishes the box with a 5. Finish this column with a 6. Finish these columns. What do I need in the box? I need a 3, and I need a 5. In this box, I need a 3 and a 5 also, and we know the order. And there we go. Nice and quick. Just have to look at the right things, and it goes pretty smooth. So thanks, Luda3, for a nice clean anti-knight puzzle. And of course, if you also enjoyed this puzzle, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.